DoDoeleph RC cars. This is a sports car. We're going to open it up, show you what it's about. This is for kids of all ages. As we open up the product, check online for further details about the colors, makes, and models they come in. This is a black and blue car. Check the box for the instructions and information about LiPo batteries. The car, the parts, the controller, as well on the bottom of the box, stuck to the side, additional parts. On the bottom of the box, you got these big thumb bolts that you're going to unscrew each to release the car from its garage. The controller supplies your own AA batteries to the back side of the unit over here that you get a precision screwdriver in the packages. If you want to change your tires with no names, you can do so. They give you big back ones or small back ones, scale size. As you can see on this one, it's got a color. And then on the other one, it's just plain black. In the packages, open up, you're going to have a 3.7 volt battery, a spare one in the vehicle. 3.7 volts, 5 volts, charging takes about an hour's time. You're going to unscrew the back, place in your AA batteries. Close up, an option to put the screw back on. On the controller, you have an on and off switch, a single switch forward and back, a single switch left and right turn. The battery, the charger, line up, plug in, put to a power bank or charge port wherever you charge your battery. Red to off, 1 hour of time. Check the owner's manual, how to operate your unit. Very easy to follow, very simple and easy indeed. You have the car, it has silver, black, and blue. You have red on the on and off switch or an orange color. You have plastic and a very high plastic body, nicely designed. And we're going to change out the spare tire and show you how simple it is. Grab the tire, pull it off, put a new tire on, as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's turn on the controller, put the battery in, open the door, and there's the second battery ready to go, plugged in as I prepared. What we're going to do is have some fun showing you on the floor what this thing can do. Turn on, adjust the wheel, give a little forward, give a little back. We have a spoiler, a bottom spoiler, front spoiler, bars on the side. It is a very sporty car. In the short space of room, we have a diameter that we could turn the vehicle. As you can see, we're skidding, doing some drifting. Woohoo! We have backwards. And we're doing a radius turn as this vehicle will do nicely in the room. You could put this on carpet, hardwood floors, anywhere you want to have fun. As you hear the crash, it won't be damaged by industry. If you're looking for an RC car, kids of all ages to have fun, this car may be right for you.